is what I want to show you real quick. We got the red dot on the 45-minute Bitcoin chart, right? It appeared like I thought it would. Does that mean it goes straight down from here? No. First of all, it's not officially printed until this is a zero, until this candle closes, right? We've got 4 minutes left in this 45-minute candle. But pretty certain this will be a red dot at the end of this 45 minutes and end of this 4 minutes. So what comes next? Potentially a red dot on the 1 hour. Now, the thing that was scaring me a little bit was that this looking like it was on its way up. But if this rolls over, this would be a classic bearish divergence. Actually, it wouldn't be a bearish divergence, but it would be the fact that the momentum is going down. And even though the price is still up here, it's not actually a divergence because the price would have to go higher for it to be a divergence. But the point is the momentum to the upside is slowing down. This is the 2 hour. Now, it's going to take a while before you get a dot on the 2 hour, but everything happens in order. We've got the 45-minute red dot. Next, the 1 hour red dot will come. That's the presumption. Now, if you look into the shorter time frames, you can see how this all rolls up. So actually, we'll start and go downwards. 45 minutes, 30-minute already printed its red dot. 24-minute, you see how the waves start just getting a little more choppy because they're getting a little more detailed, but the overall waves are still there. This is what I would spend, 16 hours a day doing all day long for a year when I was looking at this shit. I'm looking at these momentum waves, and you see how they start to add up to one another. They all roll up into one another. Now we're getting a downtrend. This is the 1 minute chart. You can't really trade off the 1 minute chart because these are all like false signals. You don't know if they'll continue. So you kind of just see if they start matching up. There's no bottom to the 5 minute yet. There's no dot yet. That could keep going down. 10 minutes pointing down. 12 minutes pointing down. 15 minutes pointing down. 20 minutes pointing down. 24 minutes pointing down. 30 minutes pointing down. 45 minutes pointing down now, considering the red. Technically, the 1 hour, oh, there it is. There it is. And so the red dot appeared on the 1 hour since we did this video. And so now there's 17 minutes till it's official that it closes, but we're bearish now. Now, for how long? Don't know yet. But this is also the VWAP crossing down. These are the RSIs rolling over. Potentially, they're still up pretty high. These are all like some form of a momentum indicator, essentially. This green line is the money line. But I'm just focusing on the blue waves right now and the dots. To me, they're by far the most powerful thing that I look at first. All this stuff is going down. How far it'll go down, I don't know. But you can start making decisions on when and where you want to take profit, and or if you think that this is part of a longer trend, because like I said originally, this 8 hour, well, we got a green dot with this pump back up, but maybe that's that false pump up, and then it'll come back down again. That's the kind of stuff I'm looking at when I entered this trade. I mean, I got a pretty good entry. You see I got some scam wicks here. No, I won't call them scam wicks per se, but these are some high wicks, which usually shows a sign of a reversal. And it looks like we might be getting it. Let's see how this plays out. This is an 8 hour candle wick here. That will take a long time to play out. But I want to be watching it sporadically. I have a lot to do today, so I can't sit here and stare at it all day long, which is part of the reason why I developed a scalping strategy. But basically, the point is we want to make sure that this is, in fact, going in our direction so we can sleep at night and don't think that all of a sudden you're going to spike and come all the way up here and hit your stop loss. This is a swing trade now, right? This is not scalping. If we were scalping, shoot, man, I probably would have taken profit as soon as we got here. You know what I'm saying? But, well, I wouldn't take a profit yet. I would have waited to see. I'd want to see reversal, meaning I'd see it first. We got to at least see it on a 3 minute, right? 3 minute ain't really enough, right? 5 minute, okay, I might be thinking maybe I want to take some profit, right? Go from here to here. If you got like 50 grand on this or something, that could be significant profit. But the real strategy is when the 10-minute green dot is about to print, if we were shorting, right, green dot would mean this move was over to the downside. That's when we would take our profit. That hasn't happened yet, and who knows how long it'll go before it does. You see these RSIs are pointing straight down.